The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette C10 is an absolute game changer, blending the classic American muscle car DNA with modern performance and design. Its sharp, aggressive stance is complemented by a redefined, aerodynamic body shape. With a sleek front fascia featuring angular headlights and a bold grille, the C10 gives off an unmistakable, high-performance vibe. Underneath the hood, it is powered by an advanced 6.2-litre V8 engine, capable of delivering a staggering 670 horsepower, which ensures thrilling acceleration and track-level performance. The engine is paired with a revamped 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, offering smooth and lightning-fast gear shifts. The chassis has undergone a complete overhaul, incorporating lightweight, high-strength materials such as carbon fiber and aluminium, allowing the C10 to achieve a perfect balance between strength and agility. The suspension system is fully adjustable, featuring an adaptive dampening system that ensures both comfort for daily driving and precision handling for the track. Equipped with Brembo carbon ceramic brakes, the Corvette C10 guarantees exceptional stopping power, even under extreme conditions. Inside, the cabin boasts a futuristic design with a minimalist approach that focuses on driver experience. A 12-inch digital instrument cluster provides all the vital performance data at a glance, while a large touchscreen in the center controls the car's infotainment system. The seats are designed for both comfort and support, with Alcantara and leather upholstery ensuring a premium feel. The interior's layout prioritizes ergonomics, with easy access to all controls and intuitive tech integration. The Corvette C10 also introduces a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision prevention, making it a well-rounded vehicle for both the track and everyday use. The car's exterior is finished with a stunning array of colors. And for those seeking even more individuality, custom paint and wheel options are available. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette C10 not only preserves the legacy of its predecessors but redefines what modern American muscle cars can be. Its bold design, state-of-the-art technology, and unmatched performance make it a standout in the sports car market. Whether tearing up a racetrack or cruising down the highway, the C10 is sure to turn heads and deliver an unforgettable driving experience.